Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. For that, joined by Bloomberg's Tatiana Dari. Tatiana, what are you looking at today?
Well, we got to talk about Meta shares. They are up by about 3% after reports the social media giant is planning layoffs that could affect about 20% of its workforce or more. No date has been set for these cuts. The magnitude is also a moving target. Nonetheless, in the world of AI CapEx overshadowing everything else, a reduction in the labor force is welcomed by the market, particularly if it comes as a result of AI productivity. But let's see more on that when the company actually announces something. Again, this is based on a Reuters report without a confirmation for the company. Shares up by 3% this morning.
All right, let's stay in the tech space. What do you have for number two?
Well, where we have a confirmation is actually Meta's deal with Nebius, and will pay about as much as $27 billion over the next 5 years to access AI infrastructure from the cloud provider as it spends aggressively to compete for the top frontier models. Nebius is a Dutch company listed in the U.S. and a so-called neocloud that operates data centers and has a strategic partnership with NVIDIA. Separately, Meta also committed to buying as much as $15 billion in additional capacity that the cloud provider is building for third-party clients. So all in all, this represents one of the biggest single contracts for Meta, which tells you, two things here, that the AI trade is alive and well in parts of the market. And the second one, that the war isn't really impacting CapEx plans just yet.
Just yet. Okay. The numbers are big, but that AI story really gets me here because I think that portends in other industries as well.
Yeah.
I mean,
obviously.
Big time. I mean, so I'm sticking with my strategy or my call that it's a net destroyer of jobs, that being AI versus a net creator. One more, Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree shares are up by 5%, really rebounding here from losses in the pre-market on a mixed annual outlook, which raised some doubts about its ability to keep winning shoppers with low prices. Its sale projection for this year of about $21 billion equates to growth of about 7%, and that is a slowdown from a gain of 10% last year. Overall, though, for quarter profits, topped projections, so it looks like the street is coming back saying that maybe that outlook was just out of abundance of caution in this tough environment. But man, with oil prices up so much and other, as you guys mentioned, prices too, one would have to really think that Dollar Tree would benefit from that.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.